Hello everyone and welcome to another Growing with the Gold. Today we're going to be planting some potatoes. We're going to do our tried and true fold down pot method. You can check back at some of our earlier videos. We had some failures and some successes with this method. We have doubled down to avoid our failures by putting these up on some pallets. So we've got some big 400-gallon GeoPots. We learned last time the cheaper brands, no go. You want to use a high quality pot. GeoPots are the ones. Super nice weave, super high quality. They last years and years. These are probably 4 or 5 years old and look brand new. So we've got these filled with planting mix. We're going to go through and plant some potatoes, give them a chance to sprout and get those plants up and rolling. Later in the season, we'll come up, pop up these sides and fill in more soil so that those lengths of plant can turn into root and produce more delicious tubers for us to eat. So check it out. We've got 4 different pots here. We've got 4 different varieties of potatoes. We're going to get them planted. Come along. So we're going to start with Carla Rosa variety. This is a nice light red skin variety with a beautiful golden flesh. You can see how pretty that gold is in there, but a nice light kind of reddish pink skin. These are a nice medium-sized potato, perfect for roasting or any application at all. Now, some of these bigger potatoes, you could, in theory, cut them down, let them scab over and do multiple starts. We have more than we need thanks to our fabulous friends at I&I Farms here in Humboldt County. Thank you, Eno, for the wonderful seed potatoes. He reached out to a wide variety of people, said, hey, I got extra potatoes. Who's growing potatoes this year? Now that's community gardening. Thank you, Eno and I&I. If you're trying to track down some delicious potatoes for yourself, go down to the Arcata Farmers Market, downtown Arcata, track down Eno and I&I Farms, and they'll have these potatoes for you all season long. So we're gonna do this next pot a little bit differently. We kind of planted everything in a spiral in this last pot. I think that's gonna go really well. But one of the things I love to do is play around in the garden. Let's experiment. Let's see what works best in our situation. I'm gonna plant these Yukon Golds in straight lines. We'll probably mix it up on the other 2 pots as well. Well, thank you again, everyone, for joining us on another Growing with the Gold, checking out what makes Royal Gold the gold standard in gardening. Will save you the tedium of watching me plant a bunch more potatoes, but you can check in next time and see our progress. Growing with the Gold. You can find us on Instagram at Royal Gold Soils, on YouTube at Royal Gold Soils. Our website is www.royalgoldcoco.com. Check us out. Thanks for checking in.